In this course you'll learn to build and deploy intelligent AI agents that bridge the gap between LLMs and real-world automation, so they can handle complex research and data analysis. It takes you from zero all the way to deployment, using OpenAI and Node.js to create a production-ready tool, complete with a PostgreSQL database on Render. And a big thank you to Render for providing a grant that made this course possible. Hey everyone, my name is Anna Kubel, and today I'll show you how to build an AI-powered Slack bot that automatically researches new community members and scores their fit for your business, all in just one file. For example, this is me running my own Slack channel called Code with Anna, which I use to keep students of my course informed. If a new member joins, say John Doe with a certain email, I'll use AI to run an internet search on him and get a fit score, to see how well he suits my community and my products. Pretty cool, right? That research and recap then gets messaged to me in a private Slack channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using Node.js, JavaScript, OpenAI, and the Slack API, and then deploy the project onto Render. We'll also learn how to use databases, specifically, a separate file that sends our research into a PostgreSQL database, to be exact. So here's exactly what we'll cover. We're creating a smart Slack AI agent that automatically detects when new members join your Slack community. It then researches their background using their email and GitHub profile, and uses OpenAI's GPT-4 to analyze how well they'd fit as customers for your product. It posts a beautiful analysis, with a fit score and recommendations, to a private channel. It uses a database on render.com, and finally will deploy on render.com as well. This is perfect for SaaS founders, community managers, or anyone who wants to automatically qualify leads from their Slack community. The code is super clean, minimal, and essentially ready for you to take, make your own, improve on, and add features, you name it. So what are we waiting for? Let's do it. First off, to build our Slack AI agent, we're going to need a database where we save all our signups, along with the compatibility scores for our Slack channel. I'm just going to use Render for this. I'll head over to the dashboard, and here in my workspace I'll create a PostgreSQL database. It's a super easy way to spin one up. Let's click New PostgreSQL and give the instance a unique name. I'll call the database SlackDB. I'll leave the user blank, since it's randomly generated and less specified. I'll keep the region and the version as default, skip the Datadog option, and just use the free plan. If you were taking this to production, you'd choose one of the heavier lifting options instead. I'll click Create Database, and this spins up a URL for us. Once it's available, you scroll down and you'll find all the information you need. We'll just use the external database URL. Let's copy that. I've already created a directory called Slack AI Agent. It has no files yet, so we'll create an env file, because we can already store our database URL there. Yours will be unique, so please use your own, not mine. Let's save that and move on. The next thing I'll do is initialize this as a Node.js project by running npm init.